Today we're gonna talk about start your SEO career on freelancing site. So we're gonna talk about how you can start your career on SEO career on freelancing site. So there are plenty of sites who can offer you the services. You can offer your services through. There are plenty of sites to the customer. These websites are Upwork, Fiverr, Toptail, Freelancer, Craigslist, Account Guru. These are the best sites to work as a freelancer. You can the creative group 99 designs people per hour, freelance writing gigs, college recruiter, I freelance, project for hire, simply hired and LinkedIn profinder. Profinder. And you can use Google AdWords, PPC, free digital marketing webinar as well. So you can start your SEO career on these sites and provide services to the clients through these sites. So first you need to be an SEO expert to register on these sites and provide services. So these are the freelancing sites for you to start your SEO career, search engine optimization career. So the best SEO project management tool are Basecamp, Liquid Planner, Active Collab, Teamwork Projects, Workmatch, and so how an SEO expert bidding on freelancing sites work. The initial step to get a new client for SEO is you should begin making a profile on celebrated outsourcing sites like freelancer.com, upwork.com, people per hour. These sites are extremely useful for new businesses and for the people who scan for new SEO freelancing projects. You can simply make a convincing profile with your abilities and begin bidding for SEO projects available on those freelancing portals. So you need to have a perseverance as falling flat. So you should know the best website to work as a freelancer. Upwork is one of them, Toptail, Fiverr, Freelancer. So these are the websites for you.